Hello, glad to have you back. In this video, we're going to create a gold text or text that's in gold. So I'm going to show you two ways how to add a block of the color gold and how to make it look more dynamic or more interesting. So we're going to the left menu here, click on the plus button or that says add element. We're simply going to add any type of text. I'm going to choose this huge title. Now, in this huge title, I'm going to write gold text. So in this gold text, I'm going to make it a lot bigger so that you all can see. In this gold text, we can easily change the color to gold. So here in the text settings, in this box right here, we can see here this an A with a drop of color that says color, and this is where we're going to change our color. So I already have my color actually copied into my clipboard. Now the color gold is usually written as, so I'm just going to paste it. So it's usually written as FFD 700. Now this is the most popular gold color that is out there. We're going to click on apply, and then we're going to select the text again. I forgot to select it earlier, and then click on the color directly. Now this is a gold text. Now it looks more yellow, but it is actually gold. Now the second way to make it look actually gold and more interesting and dimensional, we're going to add elements. We're going to stay in text, but instead of just putting in any type of text, we're going to click on text mask. Now for the text mask, I'm going to click on this hello mask or text mask, and then I'm going to write again gold text. Now in this gold text, here's what I'm going to do. So basically I'm going to change, I'm going to put a picture inside of the text that has a gold color. So I'm going to click on change media here. In change media, I'm going to add my picture. You can actually download many royalty free or whatever picture you want that with a gold background. So I'm just going to upload it from my computer. Now I have two options here. I actually downloaded a glittery gold and a metallic gold. So I'm going to check the metallic gold first. Now that my picture is uploaded, I'm just going to click on change background. Now in change background, I'm going to remove the color overlay. So this is the color that's over the picture. And here's a gold text, but with dimension, with texture. I can change this again, but with glittery gold. We're going to upload the image, another image. Now these are of course royalty-free pictures that you can just find on the internet. So this is glittery gold. Here's our picture. We're going to click on change background. Now, as you can see, this looks actually pretty nice. You can see that it's gold, but it has dimension. It's way better than this gold text. Of course, you choose which one looks best on your website, but these are the ways on how to do it. I really recommend using this way. So going to text mask instead of just doing the color, it makes things look more eye-catching. Thank you for watching.